Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your microphone isn't working in the NVIDIA app. Whether it's not picking up your voice or the app is selecting the wrong microphone, I'll guide you through step-by-step fixes to solve this problem. So let's dive in. The first step is to make sure your microphone settings are correct in the control panel. Start by heading to your Start menu and searching for Control Panel. Once it opens, look in the top right corner and set View by to large icons. This makes it easier to find the right options. Next, click on Sound and go to the Recording tab. Here, you'll see all the microphones connected to your computer. Make sure your main microphone is enabled and set as the default device. You can do this by selecting it and clicking the Set Default button. If you have other microphones connected that you're not using, disable them to avoid conflict. Simply right-click on each unused microphone and select Disable. Once you've set everything up, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Now let's configure the microphone settings within the NVIDIA app itself. Open the NVIDIA app and access the Overlay menu. First, locate the microphone section and turn it off temporarily. Then, click on Instant Replay and turn that off as well. Once that's done, go to the top of the overlay and click on Settings. From here, select the Audio section. Under Source, ensure that your primary microphone is selected. For example, I'm using a Sonic Studio Virtual Mixer, so I'll select that. After setting your microphone, go back to Instant Replay, turn it back on and make sure your microphone is set to Always On. Now try recording a clip. This should fix most microphone issues. If the microphone still isn't working, let's try another fix. Head down to your taskbar, right-click on the volume icon, and select Sound Settings. Scroll to the Input section and check for any other microphones that may still be interfering. For example, if there's a microphone you're not using, select it and click the Don't Allow button to disable it. This ensures only your main microphone is active. And there you go, folks. With these steps, your microphone should now work perfectly in the NVIDIA app. If these tips helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides. Drop a comment below if you're still experiencing issues, and I'll do my best to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.